The Samsung Galaxy A36. It's more than just a phone. It's your everyday companion, meticulously designed to keep pace with your dynamic life. Prepare to effortlessly capture every memory with stunning clarity, thanks to its versatile 50 megapixels main camera with OIS, complemented by an 8 megapixels ultrawide and 5 megapixels macro lens, ensuring every shot, from vibrant sunsets to intimate family moments, is picture perfect. And for those flawless selfies, there's a crisp 12 megapixels front camera. Picture yourself diving into immersive games, binge-watching your favorite shows, or scrolling through your feeds on an expansive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. With a 120Hz refresh rate and incredible brightness of up to 1900 nits peak brightness, every detail comes to life with vibrant colors and buttery smooth transitions, even in bright sunlight. Underneath its sleek exterior, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both front and back, lies the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, 4nm octa-core processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and fluid performance, all while keeping cool with a large vapor chamber. You can trust in its robust 5000 mAh battery to power you through your entire day, offering up to 29 hours of video playback. And when it's time to recharge, the 45W wired super fast charging gets you back in action quickly, reaching 66% in just 30 minutes. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the Galaxy A36 is not just current, but future-ready, promising up to 6 major Android OS upgrades. With IP67 dust and water resistance,